No. Oh my. This week we have managed to get our hands on the SuperEQ Q2 Pro Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Earbuds. Now these earphones are indeed from the parent company Oneodio, and they do retail around £32. That's around 43 in US dollars. Inside, everything comes pleasantly packaged with quite a bulky SuperEQ charge case to the top. Now the case itself is bulky because it does have an internal 370mAh battery. Unfortunately no, there isn't no wireless charging when it comes to this charge case, but we do indeed have a Type-C charge port to the rear, which when we go ahead and plug that supplied Type-C charge cable in, you can see to the front of the charge case we do indeed have some LED charge indication lights that do also indicate the remaining battery life. Opening up the magnetically sealed lid, which by the way is embedded, hang on. Oh, I do actually love the gold rims around the outside of the earbuds. They look very nice and quite unusual. Now these earbuds are indeed pulled in magnetically into those deep embedded sockets. They are very secure, not rattling around whatsoever, and when that charge case is placed within your pocket, even though the case doesn't have a slimline design, well it certainly doesn't protrude too much. Now taking the earbuds out, you don't have to wait for these earbuds to pair by the way. They do have one-step pairing, and they will sync to most devices very swiftly, thanks to that Bluetooth 5.2 chip, which is built in, and also internally, these SuperEQ Q2s are indeed boasting 12mm drivers. Unlike other earphones that have 3 microphones built in for ANC, ENC, these Q2s actually only have 2. So we have one front microphone for voice pickup and feed forward for active noise cancellation, while the second one is solely for the ANC feedback. Although the earbuds, to look at them, do look kind of bulky, I've got to note that they may not be suitable for everyone's ear fitment, but personally, I've had no problems myself. They have stayed within my ears while using them over the past couple of days. That is after a bit of adjustment, which is aided by a few spare ear tips that are provided, and with the correct ones fitted for our ears being selected. Now these SuperEQs do have a good design. There's that nice rigid and staggered look around the outside. Again, I do like that quite blingy gold rim around the outside of that center button. And in regards to those touch features, we do have all the usual touch functions like play, pause, call answering, the previous next track selections, the voice assistant function, and ANC and transparency modes, which will allow you to basically listen to music while on the go and still be able to hear the person talking to you very clearly, with it being a good safety aspect too, so it will pick up traffic light signals and smoke alarm signals, which is great. The only thing I will say is that with the touch controls, well, we don't have any volume control built in, I'm afraid. Now, although the specifications on the box do state that we will get 8 hours music playback time, this is only true, I'm afraid, while using 50% volume consistently. We have actually tested this aspect out ourselves using 100% volume over the past few days, and in fact, we did only get 3 hours 40 minutes use, but with that charge case being at your side, you can simply place the earbuds in, have a couple of earbud recharges on the go, and it doesn't really take long to give them a quick boost. Music quality, I've got to say, the audio with that sound seal does quite sound immersive. Oh my... What? Sound is very well balanced, the midtones are really good, especially with different genres of music. Okay, we did have to change a few settings within our mobile phone's equalizer, just to get the best audio quality, but with the sound level, audio is very loud, with good smooth impacted bass that does a good job not to drown out any of the other levels, with matching brilliant treble too. So yeah, audio is consistently great, but when it comes to the microphones, so this is exactly what the microphone quality is going to be like when using these Q2 earphones. So first of all, the latency isn't too bad, as you can notice right now. The lip sync with regards to the voice pickup is in sync and it's pretty good. With regards to voice recording, okay, it's not going to be great for professional type of use, but for voice calls, it's almost spot on. Nice crystal clear voice pickup, no disconnections whatsoever by the way with that Bluetooth connection, with no delay, and these earphones in fact can be used in conjunction with mobile phone gaming too, with that latency being great. Oh, one more thing, when it comes to the ANC, With these earphones, I've got to be quite honest, it really does block out the outside noise, but I will note it's not just down to those built-in microphones. No. In fact, it's down to the correct size ear tip fitted for my ears. So once they're in, you get a fantastic sound seal, and once the volume's cranked up and the music is playing, it blocks out up to 95% of that outside noise. So fantastic for immersive music listening. Yeah. Overall, although again the case and the earphones do look quite bulky, I do in fact like the look of them, I do love the unique style design, and we certainly can recommend them today, as we will be giving them a 9 out of 10. Now we will leave a link for you guys to check out for yourself in the video description down below. If you've liked what you've seen today, go ahead and go get yours, or go ahead also and check out some of our vast amounts of earphone reviews on our channel. But first, please hit a like and share this video today. Please subscribe to this channel and making sure to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now again, it's been fantastic reviewing these earphones this week, and we've got some more unusual tech coming up in the next few days, so stay tuned for those uploads. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!